Bitcoin is facing a crisis, supply and demand crisis. But are we actually running out? Supply and demand is a basic concept taught in every high school economics class. But what happens when supply and demand collides with Bitcoin? Are we hitting $100,000 Bitcoin this year? Or are we in for a rude awakening? Also, since there will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin in existence, what does that mean for the long haul? In today's video, we will explain the implications of Bitcoin's hard-capped and finite supply of 21 million. Now, since the beginning of the year, the amount of Bitcoin held by exchanges has been on a steady decline, while at the same time, Bitcoin is continuing to gain traction as an institutional investment. And now, industry analysts are warning there is not enough Bitcoin for Bitcoin ETFs. With over $30 billion currently held in these ETFs, this could be a powder keg waiting to explode. Ki-Young Ju, the founder and CEO of CryptoQuant, had this to say: "Bears can't win this game until spot Bitcoin ETF inflows stop. Last week, spot ETFs saw net flows of 30,000 Bitcoin. Known entities like exchanges and miners hold around 3 million Bitcoin, including 1.5 million Bitcoin held by US entities." Diving into his analysis further, Key also notes that despite the ongoing outflows from Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, these withdrawals haven't put a dent in the overall value of the holdings, all thanks to Bitcoin's relentless price appreciation. Now, there are two major events on the horizon that will impact Bitcoin and the ever-diminishing Bitcoin supply. The first event is options. Options on Bitcoin ETFs could be coming to market in the coming months. Options are financial instruments that provide the holder with the opportunity, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an asset at a fixed price within a fixed time frame. Options provide retail traders ways to increase their buying potential, while institutional investors use them to mitigate losses through hedging strategies. In simpler terms, options help traders buy more, and they help big institutions reduce risk. Here's what an expert has to say on the matter. This is from Yasha Yadav, Associate Dean at Vanderbilt Law. "Options play a crucial role for big investors, potentially attracting up to $100 billion into the ETFs, according to analysts. Without them, these investors could encounter challenge in managing risks, possibly causing some to avoid investing altogether." As the market waits for rulings on Bitcoin ETF options and applications for leverage ETFs from different asset managers, experts predict a surge of participants entering the space. Larry Fink and BlackRock might have to start buying even more Bitcoin to meet demand. But wait, there's more. There's a second factor at play in the world of Bitcoin: the Bitcoin halving event. If you're not familiar, every 4 years, Bitcoin undergoes a halving event. This means that the rate at which new Bitcoins are mined is cut in half.
The really simple way to think about it, Ed, is if demand remains the same and the Bitcoin sold gets cut in half, it should have an impact on the price to the upside. So it's a big event and we're all pretty excited about it.
Think of it as a built-in mechanism designed to control the supply of Bitcoin and maintain its scarcity. The upcoming halving event, estimated to take place April 20th, 420, nice, is expected to dramatically intensify the supply shock already affecting the market. It happens every single cycle. With fewer new Bitcoin being created, the existing supply becomes even more scarce, creating additional buy pressure. This supply shock has historically led to significant price rallies in Bitcoin, as investors scramble to acquire more of the limited supply. In fact, previous halving events have been catalysts for some of Bitcoin's most dramatic price spikes. So as we brace ourselves for the upcoming halving event, it's crucial to grasp its potential impact on market dynamics. With significant catalysts already in play, the diminishing supply of Bitcoin on exchanges, the escalating inflows into Bitcoin ETFs, coupled with the potential introduction of Bitcoin options in the coming months, the stage is set for a seismic shift in the crypto landscape. Will history repeat itself, with these factors fueling another bull run? Or are we on the brink of unforeseen twists and turns? I know which way I'm leaning bullish. Regardless, Discover Crypto will be here every step of the way. Thank you for watching. My name is DZ, and make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our uploads. We'll see you at the top.